Forget everything you thought you knew about the Ford Mustang. What you're seeing isn't just another pony car. This is a street-legal race machine designed to absolutely dominate the track. This is the 2026 Ford Mustang GTD, and get ready, because this car is about to redefine what a Mustang can be. The Mustang GTD, standing for Grand Touring Daytona, clearly has racing DNA. This is essentially the street-legal version of Ford's Mustang GT3 race car. This means every curve, every panel is designed for maximum performance and functionality on the track. Just look at its super aggressive design. There's a giant front splitter to cut through the air and visibly vented hood and fenders to expel heat. Almost the entire body uses lightweight and strong carbon fiber, but the most striking features are at the rear. A massive diffuser with 4 exhaust tips and, most uniquely, an active hydraulic rear wing that adjusts for optimal downforce at high speeds. Even the rear window has been replaced for better aerodynamics and to accommodate innovative suspension. This is truly a race car you can drive on the street. Beneath all that aggression, there's a powerful heart. A supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine targeting over 800 horsepower. This isn't just any Mustang engine. It's a revised and much wilder version of the Predator engine found in the Shelby GT500, specifically tuned for the GTD. Power is delivered through an 8-speed dual-clutch transaxle uniquely mounted at the rear. Step inside, and you'll immediately feel like you're in a true racing cockpit. The seats are sporty and deeply bolstered, designed to hold you securely during aggressive maneuvers. Carbon fiber is everywhere, emphasizing the lightweight focus. The flat-bottomed steering wheel with large paddle shifters, coupled with a customizable digital instrument cluster that prioritizes vital racing data, puts you in full command. Clearly, this is a car built for the driver and the track. And now, let's talk about the price. Ford is targeting a starting price of around $300,000. A fantastic figure for a Mustang, but remember, this is no ordinary Mustang. This is a limited production car built with high-level engineering, exotic materials, and racing standards. Production will be extremely limited, making it a rare and valuable collector's item for high-performance car enthusiasts. So, what do you think about the 2026 Ford Mustang GTD? Is it the true supercar killer, or is it taking the Mustang concept too far? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting car reviews like this video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.